welcome back to RSN Trade Breakdown. So in this channel I would be breaking down all the trades that I take, the strategy behind taking the trade and the whole thought process behind taking the trade as well. So today I'll be explaining two trades which I took, one today and one yesterday. This trade in EURUSD was taken yesterday in the London session, and this hit my TP. And today I took a trade in gold which hit my SL, which I would be explaining later. So the first trade was basically a liquidity sweep strategy. So as you can see, I was at the beginning of the London session, and this was the Asian high which had kind of swept the previous immediate high. So I was waiting for a fair value gap, and as you can see, this was a bearish fair value gap which had formed, and I had an overall bearish bias on the larger time frame. So I kept my limit order on the fair value gap, and price, as you can see, hit my fair value gap, which gave me my entry. My SL was the swing high, and my TP was 1:2. I usually go for 1:3 in liquidity sweep strategy, but as you can see in this case, price started consolidating a bit once it reached my 1:2. So I thought it was better to get out of the trade, and later, as you can see, price had plummeted down a lot. If you look at it, price almost reached a 1:14, but obviously we wouldn't assume price to go till there, so you can't hold it till there. Max to max, I could have hold it till here probably, which was almost like a 1:5. But again, these are just learnings which you should take, and my strategy makes me take out the position at a 1:2 or a 1:3 max. So yeah, happy with this TP trade. And today I took a trade in gold. It hit my SL, unfortunately. This was the ORB strategy, the opening range breakout. Basically what you do is you mark out the highs and low of the first 15 minutes candle of any session. Here I traded the London session. This is the 5-minute chart. So this green and these two red are the first three 5-minute charts of the London session, as you can see. So I marked out the high and low, and I had overall bearish bias for the day. So price broke down, and there was a 5-minute fair value gap which gave me my entry. Price came, tapped my entry. My SL was the opening range breakout high. TP was a 1:2, but as you can see, price just went directly to my SL. So this was the SL trade which I took. And as you guys know, I mainly trade three strategies. One is the internal to external liquidity strategy, internal to external movement strategy. Second is the liquidity sweep strategy, sorry. And third is the opening range breakout strategy. And based on my trading journal and my analysis, I have understood that the opening range breakout is not working too much in my favor, and hence I think I will be discontinuing to use this strategy from now on. I'll mainly be focusing on the internal to external as well as the liquidity sweep strategies going forward. Maybe if I get a setup that is really good in the opening range breakout, I would do it, but other than that, I think I'll be focusing on two strategies only going forward, which is the internal to external and the liquidity sweep strategy. So thank you.